Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about books for babies. So let's talk about the books we loved for our little one. So the best book to begin with are high contrast books because their eye vision has not developed fully yet. So here's a book with big pictures in high contrast colors. These books bring their attention. So I got this book on Amazon. I will link all the books in the description box so you can check it out. So in the last page it has a little texture, woolly texture for them to feel. So buy these kind of books. So they have in a lot of different collection like faces, animals, things. So you can buy in different colors, different topics. So the next book is Touchy and Feely books from Osborne. These books have bright colors and different textures for the baby to feel, and the details are repetitive to develop vocabulary. It has little mouse on each page, so as your baby grows you can play a little game. Ask the toddler if where's the little mouse, can you point? So that's not a collection. This series has a lot of collection. You can explore and buy different animal books. So we love these books. The next book you can buy is a rhymes book. So this book here has a lot of flaps to lift. It's an old MacDonald had a farm rhyme. When we sing a rhyme to them, they see these different reactions in our face. They learn and develop the emotions and expressions and understand the words soon enough. So this other book, I got this from Amazon. It's a Savan series. So it has 27 rhymes and 5 stories and some action words and body parts and good habits. So this is also a great book. The next book is My First 1000 Words. This book is great. So this book has very realistic pictures. This book has everything with big pictures with details on each page. It has about 96 different topics. As you can see, it's very nice. You can see the content. Lot of content. You can do one page at a time. You can just explore the book. So the next book you can sing or read to your baby. It's the book name is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. It's a nice story about the alphabets, and in the last page there are uppercase and lowercase alphabets. The whole book is with bright colors and very attractive. So the next one is the famous Brown Bear, What Do You See? This book teaches them names of the animals and the colors of the colors. This is a lefty flap book. It's very sturdy. Always buy both books. They will last longer. And the next one you can buy is repetitive books like Down by the Bay from Rafi. You can sing it to your baby or toddler. You can buy other songs books like Wheels on the Bus and 5 little speckled frogs, and so on. You can also buy 5 little ducks. So babies love when you sing it to them. These are very old and very beautiful songs and rhymes. So the next are the little board books. They have very realistic pictures. Each book has different topic, like so you can see they're very nice. So you can buy in different topics also: ABCs, numbers, colors, domestic animals, wild animals, birds, vegetables, fruits, toys, shapes, and so on. It's a very good buy. So let's get on with the next book. The next are the God books. So these books have bright, vibrant colors and beautiful pictures and little details on each page. They are very affordable board books. The babies would love to look at them, love to look at the pictures. They have a huge collection, not only in gods but in vehicles, in fairy tales. If you want to explore, there are many. So the last book is also a famous title, Good Night Moon. It has nice bright colors and little details. As you tell the story, the room goes dark, and it mentions good night in each page, that it is bedtime, and it has rhyming words, and the last page, lights go off. It's a great book, and reading to your baby creates a very beautiful and strong bond. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.